Hey friends, this is Yuasaga. Today we are going to watch some of the vocabulary words which is useful for learning. First word preclude. Preclude is a verb means prevent from happening, which is in a place like industries like that. If you use a ladders which is not good, it can make accident. The synonyms of preclude are prevent, remove, obviate. Antonyms are allow, permit, encourage. Next word undergird. Undergird means provide support or a firm basis of. Here you can make a clue that under grill. So under grill. If you want to make a building, you have to make a basement with the use of grill. So you can memorize on that way. Synonyms are brace up, support. Antonyms are contradict, disapprove. Then next word is trajectory. Trajectory is a noun, the path followed by a projectile flying. Synonyms are course, route, path. You can imagine this image. It shows how a flying object is going in a proper route, how it going to be end. Next word elude. Elude is a verb which means escape from or avoid a danger, enemy or a pursuer. Pursuer means one who is going to giving a tough fight to you. Okay, then synonyms are evade, avoid, escape, dodge. Antonyms are confront, face, encounter. You can imagine this image to memorize elude. Next word outlook. Outlook means a person's point of view and general attitude of life. Here you can memorize this picture. There is lot of professions showing in the picture. If you're taking a nurse, they will be have an attitude of caring others. If you're taking as a photographer, they will be have a look of photo view in every function or every situation like that. Then we can see the synonyms. Synonyms of outlook are prospects, expectation, future. Antonyms are indifference and likelihood. Board. Board, here they're using a board on their legs to play this game. Okay, you can make a clue of it also. Board means verb which means to be a sign of something that will happen in the future, which can be a good or bad. Okay, the synonyms are augur, portend, predict. Antonyms are unforeseen, seized. Unforeseen seized means closed, which we cannot find. Okay, next one ward off. Ward off means to prevent a danger or illness from affecting you. It is a phrasal verb. You can prevent from something going to be happen to you. Okay, the synonyms are prevent, avert, oppose, resist. Antonyms are assist, support, allow. Here you can make a clue. The recent movie Ponmagal Vanda, they are showing the child abuse. The solution also given in the movie in the last dialogue. You should not teach the girl child how to behave, how to dress up. You also teach your boy child how to respect the girl child and how to behave with her, how to make a relationship with her. That's what the full film is showing. Next word let up. Let up means reduction in intensity of something dangerous. If something dangerous happening, we have to reduce the what you can say, reduce the effects. Okay, the here we can see that in that image the rain is still heavy, so let's wait here until it let up a bit. Here what they are saying, the rain is heavy, we should wait for it to get giving a break. The rain will give a break or decrease. That time we can go. So the synonyms are abatement, decline, decrease. The antonyms are increment, accumulation. Next word, taper. Taper, here you can mainly imagine a saloon. Taper means relating to gradual reduction. If you're going for a salon and make a summer cut, in the sense they will be cut the hairs from side and back in everything. So here taper means gradual reduction. The synonyms are narrow, become thinner, and attenuate. Antonyms are amplify, enlarge, expand. Taper means reducing. Okay, you can imagine this clue. Lackluster. Lackluster is the adjective, means lacking in vitality, which means they are not focusing on a work or something else. They are playing in a game, but the both player not focusing, so they met with an accident. Okay, the synonyms are dull, uninspired, uninteresting. Antonyms are bright, lively, revitalizing. Okay, next one, falter. Falter is a verb, lose of strength or a momentum. Synonyms are hesitate, oscillate, fluctuate. Antonyms are maintain, persist, continue. Sometimes we are not we lose our strength and met with an accident, like which is shown in that picture. He is falling down from the chair and he is not seen the cable which is going between the path, so he met with an accident. So we should be aware of everything. Okay, thank you friends. If you like the video, like it, share with your friends to know more knowledge. Subscribe my channel and give your valuable comments under the comment section. Thank you friends. Love each other. Spread love to everyone. Thank you very much.